Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ConvertKit Creator Network, manage email monetization step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for ConvertKit. Press enter to navigate to the ConvertKit homepage. Look for the login button typically located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see a prompt for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your ConvertKit account. Once you have entered your email, click the Continue button. Check your inbox for a login email from ConvertKit. Open the email and look for the login link provided. Click on the link to be redirected back to your account. If prompted, enter your password for added security. After entering your password, click the Login button. You are now logged into your ConvertKit account. On the dashboard, locate the Creator Network section in the menu. Click on Creator Network to access your monetization options. Explore the features available for email monetization. Familiarize yourself with the tools provided in this section. You are now ready to manage your email monetization effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.